25. Thank you. It's in the back. 25. So a head of lettuce, just as food waste, thrown in a rubbish bin, it takes 25 years to decompose. So adding to climate change. Yes, I know, it's crazy. That's why I'm standing here.
That's why we're passionate about what we're talking about. 25 years.
So eat all your lettuce.
Again, you guys are getting to the point where you're going to go out into the world. You're going to start having your own homes, own apartments, at school. You're going to be cooking. How many out of 5 bags of fresh food does an average household just chuck away? So in an Aussie household.
3.
So no, it's one out of 5 fresh bags of groceries that you buy. You take it home, and you should just chuck one in the bin because that's what food waste is coming out of households. So that's why, again, we're doing what we're doing. All the food that is in front of you today, all the food that's in front of you today came from either the Noosa or the Bishop Ferry Road markets. So this food would have gone to people who need it. We deliver to Salvos, we deliver to the Salvation Army, we deliver to about 40 schools all over the coast who support people in need, and other organizations that support people in need. This would have been thrown away by farmers because they can't store it and they don't know what to do with it after they go to the market. So some of it may not look great, so cosmetically you may have to help it along, but it's nutritious and you can still cook with it. We are so accustomed to going to grocery stores and picking out the best looking piece of fruit, the best veggies, but this is still edible, people. This is not food waste. This is good food. So the challenge today, I've written down the rules so I don't forget anything. Please set up a compost bowl on your station. So I have a compost bin. I'll go through compost. Just 1 second, I'll go through guys. If you don't have a compost station here or a compost bin at school or worm farm, I'll take it with me and I'll put it at the Persian Beach. They have a veggie village where they compost. So again, compost would be the ends of the onions. Now, I am going to be going through your compost bowls because some of the stuff that you have, you can use all of that vegetable. So I'll give you a hint. Like if you have broccoli, who's guilty of using the florets of the broccoli and just chucking the stem? Yeah, I am. I used to be. Cut off the very end and dice that up. Now, you will have to use whatever is on your plate, everything. So as a team, what you need to do is look at what you have and say, okay, use it as an example, like you're opening up the fridge, I forgot to go to the grocery store, what am I gonna cook? Because I have to have dinner, mom and dad are coming home, or friends are coming, I gotta make something. So that's the challenge, using what you have. You have staples, so you can do one. I did this cook at Sunshine Beach High School a while ago, but the kids did too. Like they had a couple different veg that they couldn't work out what to do with, so they did a smaller bowl of something and a big meal. You're only cooking for the people in your group. This is not catered for 1,000, so please don't overcook so we have food waste with staples. Does that make sense?
Yes, that makes sense.
So, any questions?
Yeah, what do you mean by staples?
Staples. So you have pasta, rice.
Oh, I see. Right.
Sorry. Does that make sense?
So there's rice there, there's lots of other different things that you can add into this to
I'm thinking I'm a bad cook, but I'm not going to use staples.
Yeah, that's it. Sorry.
But yeah, I
Foods,
get you.
yeah, your pantries, I should say pantry items. That maybe makes sense.
So the idea is no waste, okay, no waste, using everything, very little of what's on your tray. Remember that they will have blemishes and look a little bit ugly, some of the fruit, veggies, whatever you've got there. But this would be thrown away and wasted. So what OzHarvest does is rescue this food and turn it into meals for the homeless. And we were talking about how many homeless people on the coast. How many did you think, Mary?
Right now we're sitting at about 1,800 people who are homeless here on the Sunshine Coast. We are, and I was saying earlier, we are a rescue group. So we go out and rescue from Woolies and Aldi and farmers markets and all that. But now, since COVID, we are buying 800 kilos additional a week to support the need. That's gone up 30% since COVID. So people are out of work. They may be able to pay their rent, but they are, the other things like food, those things are getting kind of harder and harder to purchase, and food is going up and up. So again, using what you have, people, will help you in the future, because you're going to be buying your own groceries at some point. So using everything and using it wisely is, I think that's part of the message today, as well as not wasting food.
Yeah, saving the planet, that's what we need to do.
So, all right.
All right, are we ready to start?
We're ready.
Okay, all right, everyone's got a group, no questions, let's get started.